In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change character voice in the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to change the character voice, tap on to one of these chats, just like this. And after tapping on it, tap on to the voice option at the top right corner, just right here. And now you can see the voice has been changed. Now to change the voice, simply keep on tapping on the voice, just like this. And now you can see the different multiple options of the voice has been seen. Now to change the character voice, simply tap on to one of these, just like this. And tap on to select voice, just right here. And now you can see the voice has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the character voice in the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.